Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and we're going to give away this TIVDIO HR-11W. This is the W. They're using a generic box now, so it just has the green one. The W, which has NOAA weather, is red. So the radio's red, and we're going to give it away right now. We have 29 people that entered, and we're going to go to random.org. And we're going to generate a random number, which will decide the winner. I have a list of all of the entries, and I gave each one of them a number. And here we go. Good luck. And the answer is 3. That is Bob L., who lives in New Jersey. So Bob L., if you'll send me an email with your mailing information, I will send you this radio. Now, this year I'm going to do a little different, and I had some problems last year, and I had people that didn't claim their prize. So I'm going to give you 30 days to send me that email. Otherwise, the radio goes back in the pile for another giveaway. And we're going to do a number of giveaways this year because I've really overloaded with radios, and I need to pass them on. My sponsors have been very generous. They're giving me radios to review, and I need to pass them on. And my criteria is, as far as what I pass on, there are things that I don't think I'll get any questions about in the future. So since this TIVDIO HR-11W is very similar to the other one I have, which is the 11S, then I still will have one that I can answer questions in the future. So Bob L. from New Jersey, congratulations. Thanks everybody for entering. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up, and have a great day. Bye-bye.